A confirmed water spout was located just offshore near Tucklin, or 11 miles south of Westport, moving north at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, weather spiders confirmed water spout moving onshore. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornado will be near Westport around 4:20 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Ocean shores around 4:35 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Other locations affected by this tornado include Cohasset Beach, and River. Take cover now. Move to the windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Motorists should not take shelter under highway overpasses. If you cannot safely drive away from a tornado, as a last resort, either park your vehicle and stay put, or abandon your vehicle and lie down in a low-lying area and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado. Until 4:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Washington. Tornado warning for the following county.
There we go. Special Marine.
Coastal waters from Point Grenville to Cape Shore 10 to 60 nautical miles. The National Weather Service in Seattle has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Point Grenville to Cape Shore 10 to 60 nautical miles until 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 4:31 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing water spouts was located 22 nautical miles southwest of Point Grenville. North is very high gusts. Hazard, water spouts, with gusts 34 knots or greater, in a small hail. Source, radar. Impact, water spouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged and briefly oil and submarine leaves. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Thunderstorms can produce sudden water spouts. Water spouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 5 p.m. The following marine location, coastal waters from Point Grenville to Cape Shore 10 nautical miles. Outdoors, in a mobile home,
Tornado warning.
vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter. Has been issued until 4:45.
There we go. Tornado warning. Let's go.
Tornado warning for the following county: Grays Harbor, Washington. The National Weather Service in Seattle has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Grays Harbor County. County in northwestern Washington until 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 4:37 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a confirmed water spout was located just offshore near Westport, moving north at 25 miles per hour. As of 4:35 p.m., the water spout was visible close to the shore in Tuckland. Hazard, tornado. Source, weather spotters confirmed water spout moving closer to onshore. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornado will be near Aberdeen, Hoquiam, and Ocean Shores around 4:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornado include Cohasset Beach, Markham, and Grayland. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows.
My WR100s are
If you are
going off.
outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for the following county: Grays Harbor, Washington.
Okay. I don't know why it sounds like that. Maybe it's doubleheader?
Tornado warning
Okay, no, it
for
doesn't.
the
That's
following
right.
county.